Liquidity is about to be taken off the market at this very point on USDJPY. Look at it from this very area of important support right here. Market come all the way down to the same support, and right now market is about to take liquidity. This is what we'll be talking about in this video and many more. Pay attention, watch this video all the way to the very end so you better prepare yourself for the next week of trading. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading, strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Right here on the USDJPY chart, you see the market is coming back to the downside as expected. So from here, the market is going to move upward, but before that move happen, I am still expecting that as we resume the market on Monday, market should move down a little bit from this area downward, and then we're going to see the market begin to move upward. That is my expectation right now on USDJPY. And furthermore, even though on Wednesday is the Fed interest rate and the FOMC meeting, a Fed cut rate or Fed keep rate unchanged, either one is going to make this chart to move all the way to the upside. And the reason is because anytime the market has come back all the way down prior to rate cut or rate hike or keeping rate unchanged, market always move the opposite direction immediately or after some time after the data release. And this is what I am expecting right now, because this is not a different case. Market is going to move upward after the FOMC meeting. So pay attention to market coming back down a little bit as you resume the market on Monday, and then we're going to see market begin to recover all the way to the upside for a severe buy opportunity right here on USDJPY. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it at this very point, market is coming back down. Okay, so market come back down. I talk about market will come back down from this very point all the way to the downside, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market will still come back down. In my own opinion, market is going to come back down a little bit from here downward, and then we will see the market begin to have recovery, then the final move to the upside on USDJPY 4-hour chart. This is what you need to pay attention to. And if you look at the stochastic RSI, market is still moving downward. It has not entered into the oversold condition yet. Markets have a high likelihood of coming into the oversold condition before it then move upward, and that is what I am waiting for right now on the 4-hour chart USDJPY. And this is what you need to pay attention to. So as we resume the market on Monday, market is going to come back to the downside, in my own opinion, from this technical analysis. And on Euro USD, if you look at Euro USD here, you see market is having a severe rejection. This week of trading has been a very drastic week all the way to the downside, and then we see a significant correction after the CPI data. So from this very point, the week started right here on Monday with this move all the way to the downside, and then after the CPI data on Wednesday, market move upward on Thursday, and then Friday a good rejection before the close of the market at 1.10719. And what I am expecting at the moment also is for the market to have a good retracement or rejection downward, and the market is going to go up a little bit before a final move to the downside, because I am expecting that the market move up a little bit, possible creation of a new high, before market will finally begin to drop back all the way to the downside. That is my expectation, and that have been what I've been looking at right now on this very chart. And pay attention to this guy. This is very important right now. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart looks a little bit different from what we're seeing on the one-day chart. Look at it here. Market is going to come back down without doubt from this very area. Market move all the way from this point right here all the way to the downside. We have retracement or correction. Market come back down, create a new low. Market retrace again, then a possible movement downward. This is what I am expecting right now. This movement downward may not come to this very point, but there is a possibility The most important thing at this point is that from this very area, market is going to come back to the downside on Euro USD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI right now, it is already at overbought condition with a crossover between the orange line and the blue line, but it have not crossed the 8% line yet at this very point. So the next thing to wait for is for this very line to come out of the overbought condition, crossing the 8% line at this very area downward, and that will be a guarantee that this market is going to come back all the way to the downside. And this is what I am paying attention to right now. So as we resume the market on Monday, I am expecting that Euro USD should drop down in favor of the US dollars and approaching the Wednesday Fed rate cut and the FOMC meeting. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now, guys, on your chart as we resume the market on Monday. If you find this video helpful, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.